Hey everyone! Today, let's settle the debate, scientists versus inventors. What's the difference? You might think these two professions are the same, but they have some distinct differences. Let's talk about scientists. Scientists are seekers of knowledge. Scientists are like detectives, constantly asking questions about the world around them. They use the scientific method to gather evidence, run experiments, and form theories about how things work. Think of Marie Curie, who discovered radioactivity through her experiments with elements. On the other hand, inventors are creator. They take scientific knowledge and use it to create new things, and then work tirelessly to bring their ideas from concept to reality. Inventors are masters of innovation, creating new products or solutions that make our lives easier or more enjoyable. Someone like Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb using his knowledge of electricity. But the lines can blur sometimes. Many scientists are also inventors, and vice versa. Remember, scientists ask why and discover new knowledge. Inventors ask how and use knowledge to create new things. Like this video if you're team scientist. Comment below if you're team inventor. Let's discuss who's more important, the scientist or the inventor.